Okay, so we're getting another winter storm. It's supposed to get down to -5 today. Or tonight. Later tonight. So let's go check on the chicky dudes. They're already out. Their automatic door has gone up. I've been a little late to come outside because of the cold weather. But I'm wondering if they're going to be out in their run or if they're going to be tucked inside because it's not ideal weather. Looks like they're inside. Let's see. Yeah. Surely they are indoors. Let's see if I go in here if they'll come out. Chickens! Hi, chickadoods! What's going on? Ooh, it's nicer in here because there's no wind. That's a big part of the winter storm that's coming. It's gonna be very windy. Hi, Renee. Hi, Timmy. Hi, Thelma. Hi, Sandy. Hi, Rhonda. I always have to see Roxy to know if that's Rhonda for sure, because they look very alike. But Roxy has a little bit darker feathers around her neck. Hennifer, Machu, Leo, Skinny Pop, Luis, and Lucy. But they're so fun. I love that they're all named now. It's very fun to do a little roll call. Hi, Machu boy. How are you guys holding up in the weather? Thelma, you seem so little. Skinny Pop's little cutie. Remember when Skinny Pop had her impacted crop? Thank God she's all better. She's just such a sweet little chicken. Isn't she little? Cute. Okay, let's see. I'm growing them some wheatgrass inside. I thought maybe it would be done by today, but I think it still needs a couple days. But I'm going to try to scrounge up some sort of treat to bring out here for them. Perhaps a warm one would be nice. Is everyone out here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Everyone is out. Like, imagine if they didn't have, for one, the straw, and for two, the plastic. They'd be so chilly. It's gorgeous for them. Machu, your chest is looking so pretty. I feel like his feathers are constantly changing. All right, chicky dudes. Excuse me, I'm gonna pop on out of here. All right, see you guys in a bit.